Dawson Creek. We're taking out the
Water's running there. Over here where I haven't taken the bottom out, it's filling up against the house. So I think I need to take that bottom piece out for sure. And then over here, it's the French drain's backflowing into the driveway up against the garage door. That's the French drain right here. Creek, don't get in that. That can pull you away.
The road is flooded. The road is flooded here.
Road's flooded. Creek, get out of that. I told you not to get in there, dude. Stay in the grass. It's lightning. Okay, it's lightning. We need to get inside. This is where the French drain comes out. Here comes the trash can. Someone's trash can. Creek, stay away. No, it's not ours. I don't think this is draining properly. See how much water is running down the street still here past the storm drain. Come on, Creek.
What about the